I'm Realtor Paul Wozniak. Welcome to 534 Hawks Nest Way in Fort Collins, Colorado. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, is 6,394 square feet. This custom ranch-style home sits on 3.3 acres with a great country feel just minutes from downtown Fort Collins. High-end finishes everywhere. Hunter Douglas blinds. Weather shield casement windows. Valencia solid oak doors. Corian counters. Luxurious cook's kitchen of the highest quality. Wolf Elect double oven and gas burners, grill and griddle. Sub-zero refrigerator. Tharp Euro cabinetry. Granite countertops. Impeccable landscaping. Covered patio and stately circle drive. 24-panel microinverter solar array. Heated oversized garage with epoxy floor. Currently listed by Dennis Schick of RE/MAX Alliance.